Guys, good morning. So guys, this is my 29th day of English speaking challenge. So as you can see, I have improved so much in English. Not very much, but little by little I'm improving, and I've got a little improvement in the English language, and me also, and in myself also. Yes, so I can there so I can speak confidently, so I can confidently speak in the English language or in English. Okay, so without further any delay, without further any delay, or without wasting our more time, let's start our video. Let's dive into the video. So I have heard from the people that they they used they are unable to face the camera. They they don't they are unable to face the camera. I don't know why. I don't know why, but they are unable to face the camera. When they ghost when they goes when they go when they go in front of the camera, then they feel shy. They get ashamed. I don't know why it happens to them. I don't know. But if I talk about my case, if I talk about my case, then I don't feel shy. I can speak. I can confidently express my ideas. I can definitely express my thoughts very clearly. Yes. So it is purely indicating that i'm a very good i'm a very good I'm a very good confident English speaker. I'm a very good confident English speaker. Yes. So it's been possible because of my dedication and hard work. Yes. And continue and I and I'm continue working on my skill, I have been working on my skill for, I think, 28 days. 28 days. If I count from now, if I count from today, if I count from today onwards, if I count from today onwards, then it would be around, 28 days. Yes. So I've completed my 28 days, and today it's my 29 days. Yes. And as you can see, I've got the fluency, and I'm getting the fluency. Okay. And the percentage of the percentage of the percentage of making mistakes is getting less. the percentage of the percentage of making mistakes is getting less. And my my sentences are getting improved, and I'm focusing on that. I'm focusing on that. Means, whenever I speak a sentence, then I used to think of this, that this sentence is correct or not. I should speak this language. I should speak this sentence or not. I need to. I used to think. I used to think. I used to think a lot before speaking. I don't say anything suddenly. I don't say anything suddenly. I take time, because Alina Reis was telling in the videos that if you are speaking, then don't be in a rush. You don't have to catch the train. Be a little slow. Be a little slow. Be a little slow, and thereafter you can start speaking. Okay, and thereafter you can start speaking. Means means if I would rather say, then if you are speaking fastly, if you are speaking in a rush manner, then you would definitely make mistakes. And because of that, you won't be able to express your ideas. Okay. So what is the meaning of that conversation? Nothing. So I think you should be speaking in a slow manner. Yes. And the person who speaks slowly, he looks very calm, who looks very attractive. Yes. The means he attracts to the more people towards him. Yes. So I'm also telling you guys, if you also want to if you also want to speak if you also want to speak if you also want to speak like a slow English speaker, or if you also want to speak like me, then start speaking. But in the slow manner, but in the slow manner. Start speaking slowly. Yes, this way you will be looking attractive. Yes. So this is one of the idea that I'm being expressed to you. Okay, this is one of the idea that I'm being expressed to you. Okay. So, you know, I have to tell you one more. I have to tell you several things about English that I have learned, that I have learned in my English journey. In my English journey. So that is, you know what? Whenever you try to speak in English, then don't need to use grammar rules. Otherwise, that will make you that will make you slow. That will make you slow in speaking, and because of that you will get stuck, and because of that you will get stuck in speaking or between the conversation. Okay, or between the conversation with whom you are having. Okay. So I think so, according to me, don't take grammar, and don't stop using the grammar rules. Whatever you know, just speak it up, okay. And whatever you know, and however you know, just tell it, whether be it Hindi or English, no matter. Okay, you just have to speak and speak. You have to you have to you have to you have to think you have to think you have to think you have to think a little before speaking, that whatever I'm speaking, am I able to express my ideas, in a better way or not. You have to think of this, okay. So it's been 7 minutes of my videos, and still I'm speaking. That's a wonderful thing that I'm doing right now, with myself. Yes. So when you speak, when you continue speaking now, so I have to tell you guys, if you speak continuously, then one day you will be much improved. One day you will be much improved. Yes. So, you know, I have heard, and I've also seen, and I've heard, and I've also seen that if you are doing something, if you are doing something every day, then in that particular thing you will be very good. You will be very good. You will be very good at. Yes, one day. Yes. So this is my opinion, and it happens to everyone. But the person, but the person should be, but the person should be starting, but the person should be started of doing that particular thing. Yes, whether at which he wants to become, good at. Okay. So guys, my opinion is, my I have a lots of opinion I have a lots of opinion about English, but I am sharing. But every day I used to share, but every day I will share you. Okay, don't worry, and no matter. Okay, and there is no and there is no rush, and there is no hurry. Okay, every day I will tell you whatever I would learn, I will tell you. I will express it to you. Okay, I will express it to you. Okay. So if I talk about the first day, if I talk about my first day, then that day I was getting nervous, and I was unable to speak, because that was my first day, and I was unable to face the camera lens. And again and again I was I was looking at the screen of the phone. I was looking at the screen of the phone, and because of that I was not getting the clarity that what to speak and how to speak. Yes, I was again and again thinking. And because of thinking, I was unable to express even even a single idea of mine. Yes. So now I can speak. And whatever I'm speaking right now, I'm just looking at the lens, and just speaking, Yes. So I'm considering I'm considering the lens as my audience. Yes. If you if I go on stage, and there are number of peoples in front of me, okay? And if you give me the mic and you have to tell me that, can you speak on this, can you talk to the audience, could you talk to the audience, can you please Samir talk to the audience, then I can definitely speak, because I'm getting good, i'm getting good I'm being good at speaking, yes, because every day I push myself. I try to get better. Yes, in this particular thing, or in this particular area, So you need to increase the surface. You need to increase the surface of your speaking. Yes, means always grab the opportunity to speak. Always grab the opportunity. if you are if you are getting the opportunity, if you are getting the opportunity, and someone is giving you the opportunity, and he's telling you that, please come here and have your words, please come here and have your words, okay? And put your words, whatever your thoughts, whatever your ideas, just speak, okay? Just have it on the mic, okay? So you should know, you should never be delayed, you should never be delaying, okay? Because you are getting the opportunity, and so according to me, grab the opportunity, okay? Grab the opportunity. So guys, this is all about today. And this is all about me, and this is all about my opinion. So what is your opinion? Please comment. So please comment. And I have so please comment, because I am gonna read all of the comments, okay? So I will see you at the same time, at the same place. So until you, take care, bye. See you tomorrow onwards.